Okay, I came to let Chase out, and my first thought was, oh man, like, this doesn't appear to be the work of a squirrel. We've been doing what we can to feed the birds and, accommodate the squirrels somewhat. But I just don't see how a squirrel got this part of the bird feeder all the way over here. Knocked over the little water fountain. This little bird is annoyed at me. That is a pile from an actual squirrel mishap. Tortured a bird feeder until it did in fact give in and crash to the ground, and all the bird seed is everywhere. This little guy is so happy. But yeah, there's the rest of the damages. I have no idea. I'm guessing bear. I'm guessing bear. And there's that. And that piece of plastic that you see there was a seal that was in here, all around in here. My poor little. Okay, so a couple of my herb plants took a dive because they were in the way. For goodness sake. So what do? You don't take care of the birds. You don't put food out. Deer proofing is one thing. Bear proofing, ugh.